Hey, hello students, welcome back once again to another short lecture series about permutation and combination. So for today's video, we'll discuss few problems from combination. So as you can see my screen, so we'll discuss few problems from combination. So let me share a few problems with you quickly. Okay, this is the problem. We have two problems here. The first problem says, in how many different ways can three letters be chosen from letters A, B, C, D and E? The order of three letters is not important. As we have in this problem, they are saying the order is not important. As we know, whenever the order is not important, also whenever we are selecting, so we have to go for combination, because in combination we will count possibilities when the order is not important. We are not considering the different orders. Okay, so as here in this question they mentioned that the order of the three letters is not important, so we have to go for combination. So here what is the question? Again I am reading it for you. So in how many different ways can three letters be chosen from letters A, B, C and D? The order of these three letters is not important. So let's solve it. So what you have to do here, so let's move forward. What you have to do here, only we know we have to choose, or you have to select three letters. How many letters do you have? So here we have total 5 letters, that is A, B, C, D and E. Now we have to select or choose three letters. Whenever you are selecting, whenever you are choosing, like then we have to go for combination. So here we have total n, here n is equal to your 5, and here you are selecting 3 from it, we are choosing 3 from it, so your R is equal to 3. So the formula which you will use, that is NCR, combination of 3 from 5, combination of 3 from 5 numbers. So let me erase this portion. So NCR will use the formula for NCR is equal to, as you know, n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. That is the formula. So here we know what is our n. N is equal to 5, so there will be 5 factorial, okay, divided by 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 3 factorial, 5 minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial. So let's simplify this. So we have 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 3, 2 factorial into 3 factorial. So I can simplify it as 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 3 factorial. So if I simplify, then I can cancel this 3 factorial from the numerator and the denominator, and also 2 factorial is equal to 2. So 5 into 4 by 2, that is equal to 10. So your answer will be, there will be 10 different like 3 letters word, like if the order is not important. So that is the first problem. So let's clear all this and let's solve this next one. So let's see what is the answer here. So if I move forward, so answer is, as you can see, they're cancelling out, so we have answer that is equal to 10. So let's understand the next question. So what is the next question? Let's read the next previous question first. So the next question says, like the question number B, a standard poker hand consists of 5 cards dealt from a deck of 52 cards. So in a deck of cards we have total 52 cards, right? So a standard poker hand consists 5 cards. So we have to say, what you have to do, how many different poker hands are possible? How many different poker hands are possible? So now if I take, like here you have to understand, we have to, like what you have to do, you have to find how many different, this is my 5 box, this is my 5 box, how many different 5 like card hand we can we can make from 52 cards, right? So how many poker hands are possible with 5 cards we have to make? Total we have 52 cards. Now here if I talk about, like whenever we are like finding the count, whenever we are finding the 5 card hands, so here you have to first understand here the order is necessary or not. Suppose let's just take suppose you are selecting 3 hands card. Okay, so if I take, suppose you have a diamond, 4 of diamond, and suppose we have like heart, 3 of heart, and suppose you have spread. Suppose you have spread. Let me draw it for you. Okay, suppose you have the king of spade. Okay, now these 3. Now if I rearrange, so this is one hand. Suppose this is one hand. Now if I rearrange, if I take another arrangement, so if I take 3 of hearts, and 4 of diamond, and suppose pardon my drawing. So this is another hand. Are these two hands same or not? Here these two hands are same. See, as we have the same type of cards. Here we are taking different arrangement, but the here arrangement is not. Here the arrangement is not necessary. Like here the order is not necessary. We have like as the order is not necessary, we have to go for combination, right? So if I go for combination, so what you have to do? We have to find. So we have total 52 cards. We have total 52 cards. Now from these 52 cards, we have to select how many cards? How many cards? We have to select 5 cards. So my answer will be 52 C 5. So if I put the like formula once again, so that will be 52 factorial divided by 52 minus 5 factorial into 5 factorial. So that will be 52 factorial divided by 47 factorial divided into 5 factorial. So if you simplify this thing, if you simplify this number, so what you will have? So if you simplify, you will get this number. So there will be 2598960 possible combination will be there. So that is the answer. Hope you like it. So see you in the next video. Thank you for listening.